As I understand, behind this glove box on the passenger side are a number of fuses. I think, looking at the wiring diagram, it will be one for the unlock door mechanism, one for the battery charging port, and also another fuse for the fuel flap relay. Connects also to the air conditioning. So 3 fuses. They have brown wire coming in, brown wire going out, and they're just inline fuses. Looking at the wiring diagram, the door lock solenoid on the passenger door is fed via the switch from this inline fuse, which is fed from the starter solenoid. Also, under that glove box is this fuel lid line fuse, this one here, that operates the relay, and this fuse here, which is the battery charge line fuse, and they're similarly all fed from this starter solenoid. So those are the 3 which are behind the glove box, but it's that one that I'm looking for because my door lock does not work. You need to undo that screw and that screw to drop the glove box. There's a small rubber piece on mine through which the screw goes. So with the box open, if you look underneath, I've got 1 fuse, 2 fuse, 3 fuses, don't know which one's which, and the light for the glove box. First fuse I've removed, that's a Lucas 12 amp continuous, 25 amp below. I've checked that fuse, it's working. I don't know which it operates. The fuel filler flap still functions. If I stick my probe into the 2 holes for the battery charger, having replaced that fuse, I'm getting 13 amps. And without that fuse in place, I'm not getting any voltage. So I will mark that one as the battery charger fuse. Now, I've just removed the fuse from this one here, and that's definitely blown. Again, it's 12 amps, 25 below. Given that that one there is the battery charger fuse and the fuel filler flap still functions, which I hope is going to be that one there, I think that this will be the fuse to the passenger door solenoid. Now just opened up the 3rd inline fuse, and the fuel flap no longer works, and I will mark that, which doesn't show very well because of the light that's on, but this one's marked as 25 amp. You can see the difference in size of those 2 fuses. The bottom one's a 25 amp below, the top one is just a 25 amp. So I've replaced that incorrect fuse which was serving the fuel opening flap with this correct one, a 25 amp blow fuse. So now, with those fuses marked and replaced correctly, fuel filler flap still works, but also the door lock mechanism is also now working. Also, out of interest, the little piece of rubber that's on the end of that screw bolt, it's actually threaded with a brass insert.